So after lots of heartache and replacement parts on the printer, going from thin failure to success eventually, I think that's the final one, and that. I say success, still got a problem, not with the print, but the bed. It's actually lifting up on the end there, so even though this is printed perfectly, it's curved up a bit on the end where it hasn't stuck to the build plate properly. But it should now be working. So if we stick that in there, stick that one through there, I will actually heat the end of it again just to hold it in place. So in theory, single shot rubber band gun. All that happens is that pushes the rubber band off the end there. So we'll see if we can hit the camera with it. I just remembered, for those of you who don't recognise it, it's my paper plane launching gun with the end bits stripped off it because we don't need them, and just a little notch. So it's exactly the same as this one, apart from we don't need all these bits on the end. So there's a video for launching paper planes with that one, but this one is just simple. Shoot the rubber band. So that works.